Hey guys, so once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Mebz Info. First of all, I want to wish you all a very happy new year. So in this video, I'll be revealing you the winner of the previous giveaway, in which I gave away a free internet data. So there was only one entrant, there was only one winner. Actually, I gave 8 free coupons, but there was only one entrant, so I gave away to one winner. So as you can see here, the name of the winner is TSG Killer. Congratulations to TSG Killer. He got 2GB free data of Airtel Internet Data. So in this video, I'll be doing again 15 free 2GB data and 5 free 1GB data. That is, altogether there will be 20 free datas, 20 free coupons for all my lucky subscribers. So in order for you to win, you need to like and subscribe to the channel, and then you need to press the bell icon, and in the comment section you need to comment your Facebook username so that I'll be able to contact you when you win, and I'll be sending you the coupon. So thanks a lot for watching.